Hello everybody, my name is Seth. Today I'll be showing you another cannon tutorial!
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Yes. So today, I will be showing you the best cannon ever. Of course, I only show the best content ever because I am awesome.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
So yes, today I'll be showing you the absolutely awesome Bazooka cannon. I do not know why it said somebody joined the lobby. That's a Hypixel message. Probably because I was on Hypixel less than a minute ago. But yeah, let's get started. And the first thing that you will need will be, of course, any block, like always. I'm going to use stone this time. You need a water bucket. Then you need a ladder. You also need a dispenser. And you need a lever. You need redstone. You need a comparator. And is there anything else that we need? I think that's all. We need TNT, of course. So we need lots of that. So yeah, the first thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to go here. You'll need to place a block right there. You'll need to place one right beside that right there. And you'll need to place one right there. Also two of those. And then on top of that one, those two, you need to place a block there. So I guess we're ready to fire. I'll set the difficulty to peaceful for now. And once you're ready to fire, the first thing you'll need to do is click this lever once and then hold this for probably about 2 seconds. So 1, 2. Boom! That is the best cannon that you can possibly build.
Now, this is epic.
That's a lot of damage!
I'll probably turn this down a bit so it doesn't lag for the video. But this cannon, you can hold it for an amount of time that is absolutely insane. So, this is probably the best cannon tutorial I've ever made. So I'll turn this down a little bit so you can hear. But this cannon, you won't believe how good this is. You can literally blow through a base if you wanted to use this in factions. You could probably blow through a non-water-prodded base with this cannon in literally less than a minute.
Wow.
So then I'll make it maximum. Not maximum. But look at that. This cannon is absolutely insane. So, yeah. You might have seen this on TNT Wars, but I don't know if they invented it or not, so credit to whoever invented this, but I just had to show this off in a video because not many people know how to build this, and not many people know that this cannon exists. It does require a lot of TNT, though, so it'll be good if you're rich on factions. Let's fire it off a couple more times. Let's blow through this village. Rip all villagers, 2017. It's February 7th or 6th. I don't know the date. So, yeah. There we go. We already busted through the village. No, we haven't done enough yet. Cannon, ready to fire some more? Yes, sir. Okay.
What? What the fuck?
Okay. do it again. And hopefully I won't blow up all the cats. Good. There we go. Okay, this should make it blow up farther. No, that made it shorter. Okay. I wanted to do this, actually. I need to wait for it. There we go. Oh my goodness, I blew up all the way back here. But yeah, if you keep on doing that, you can put timers on this, I'm pretty sure, but you can do so much damage with this cannon. Doesn't matter how far the base is away. This cannon is absolutely overpowered, and I hope you consider using this cannon on your single player world or anywhere else that you would consider using this yourself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this absolutely insane video. And I hope all you TNT lovers, all you exploding lovers, all you government lovers, all of you wall lovers, wall haters, all cat lovers, all cat people, love this cannon. And I will see you all in the next video!
Quiet, please. No need to shout. No need to yell. No need to have a riot. Shut your eyes. Take a deep breath. Oh, you've gone all quiet.
Goodbye.